This cloud job is for AWS Cloud Engineer at Optian in New Zealand or Australia. This is primarily based in Sydney, but the role is remote. The only requirement is that you should be good with AWS and CI/CD plus Terraform. If you know about Optian, that is an international provider of valuations, advisory, and specialist property services in the Australian, New Zealand, and US markets. It has been recognized as the largest valuation professional services firm in these regions, as they have delivered meaningful solutions to their clients across all property types and market sectors. For this role, you need to be good at AWS, as I mentioned earlier. And when I say that you need to be good at AWS, it means that you should have a working experience with various AWS services, including EC2, S3, RDS, DynamoDB, CloudTrail, CloudWatch, System Manager, KMS, and a lot of other services, especially around observability. Plus, you should also have a good grasp of CI/CD pipeline, how it works. Any CI/CD pipeline experience is okay. Plus, you need to be aware of what is infrastructure as code using Terraform, and then any of the scripting language like Python, JavaScript, Node.js, or even Shell should be good enough. So as you can see, if you are coming from a DevOps domain, should be a good advantage. Plus, you should have a solid understanding of sysadmin fundamentals, as I mentioned, with various AWS services. So if you think you're up to this job and if you feel like it, feel free to apply. Thank you.